Namaste yogis, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try out a spin of my own on the viral 2-ingredient cheesecake. I mean, this recipe is incredible. Whoever has done this is a genius. So I've kind of made it my own and I've been having this and it has really changed the process of my weight loss. So I thought I would share the recipe with you. It's a little bit different with an addition of a few more ingredients, but honestly, if you are on a weight loss journey and you're trying to, lose weight as well as, you have those cravings for something sweet and high protein, I mean, it's incredible. So let me just show you how I make it. Okay, so for this recipe, basically you just need a yogurt, a high protein yogurt. I've decided to go for some coconut one. You can normally use the Biscoff biscuits, but to try to make it a little bit more calorie friendly, I'm going with regular Mary biscuit, which is much lower in calorie. And then I've got some blueberries, some blackberries and some strawberries. These are not compulsory as per the actual recipe, but I do want to add in more strawberries, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So all you basically need to do is open this up and take some of the yogurt, and I'm gonna put one layer here. Then I'm going to simply take maybe a little bit of fruit, 1, 2, maybe one more, and then I'm going to be taking also some strawberry in mine because I love strawberries. So just cut that up and see how I can try to fit it in. See how that goes. Okay, and then I'm going to, of course, put the biscuit. I'm just gonna half it, and maybe this works. I'm not too sure. Yeah. Put some more. Apparently, the more biscuit you take, the better it is. So I just make sure to, But honestly, at the end of the experiment, I have only used about maximum 2 biscuits entirely because I kept on making it smaller pieces so that it fits. So in terms of calories, again, I think we are safe and fine. Now from here, I'm just gonna top it off with another layer of some yogurt. There we go. Okay, this seems pretty much ready to go to me. I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 12 hours and then I will see you once we're back from it. So I've been told that you're meant to be putting it in the fridge for about an entire overnight, but what I've been doing is I've just been putting it for 6 to 12 hours and it's been completely fine. And I actually use this now as a small little cute recipe as a breakfast, or whenever I feel like I want to have a snack, which is like a dessert, then I do this. So I'm just gonna put it here in the fridge for a few hours and then I'm gonna show you and taste test how it is. It is so easy, guys. I can't believe how simple this recipe is, but even if you have people over for a meal or anything, just making small amounts of them, little pots, how easy is this? And it is rich in protein. I love the addition of the fruits. That's one thing that I added from the original recipe because I did want a little bit of fruitiness into it. And I also had changed the yogurt, as I mentioned. I'm not using the natural yogurt. If you want, you can use that. That's also equally really delicious. I personally love coconut, so I'm going ahead with coconut yogurt. So honestly, with this recipe, it's so easy. You can choose whichever choice of high protein Greek yogurt you want. basically any biscuit. I chose something that's low in calorie. If you are okay with calories and you're fine and you're not looking into that, then Biscoff biscuits is actually the best for this recipe. And then some fruits or maybe some cacao nibs or anything. You can honestly make it your own, and that's what I love about this recipe. It's so tailor-made to whatever we would like. So I can't wait to show you how it turns out to be. Yogi, so it is the next day and this is what it looks like, and I'm so excited to have it. So let's have it together. Just taking a spoon here, trying to get a little bit of everything. Guys, if you are on a weight loss journey and you're not having this, trust me, you're missing out. You need to make this. It is so good. Honestly, this morning I also had made an extra one for my father, and he felt like it was not sweet enough. So what we realized is that if you're not on a weight loss journey and you want to do just a regular version, the Biscoff version is obviously much better because it does have more sugar. But if you're like me, trying to lose weight and still be great with your macros, high protein, something sweet and indulgent, then honestly, this is great. So I'm gonna go and enjoy this, and I wish you a rest of a beautiful day, and stay tuned for more wellness, yoga, meditation, breath work, and recipes together. And I'm looking forward to grow together. Namaste, everyone.